Good morning everyone. I am Nandan Dadori. Today I will explain about my topic is rhinitis. Rhinitis is when a reaction occurs that cause nasal congestion, runny nose, sneezing and itching. Most type of rhinitis are caused by an inflammation and are associated with symptoms in the eye, ear or throat. There are several types of rhinitis. The most common type are acute rhinitis, which is usually caused by a viral infection, allergy, or seasonal rhinitis, and non-allergic or year-round rhinitis. Allergic rhinitis is caused when allergens in the air triggers or the release of histamines in the body. Histamines cause itching, swelling, and fluid to build up in the fragile linings of the nasal passages, sinuses and eyelids. The definition of rhinitis. Rhinitis is a reactions that happens in the eye, nose and throat when allergic in the air triggers histamines to be released in the body. Next one is causes of rhinitis. Causes of rhinitis, first is a pollen given up by trees, grass and birds, dust mites, molds, cockroach waste, animal danders, fumes and odors. Temperature, next is hormonal changes, certain medicines and overuses of topical nose sprays, changes in the environment, smoke, certain foods or species. Next, I will explain about types of rhinitis. First type of rhinitis is infectious rhinitis. Infectious rhinitis is the most common type of rhinitis, commonly caused by a viral or bacterial infection, including the common cold, which is caused by rhinovirus, coronavirus, and influenza virus. Other caused by adenovirus, human parainfluenza virus, human respiratory syncytial virus, enterovirus, or then rhinovirus, metapneumovirus, and measles virus or bacterial sinusitis, which is commonly caused by streptococcus pneumonia, hemophilus influenza, and moraxilla catarrhal. Symptoms of the common cold including rhinorrhea, sneezing, sore throat, pharyngitis, cough, congestion, and slightly headaches. The next is non-allergic rhinitis. Non-allergic rhinitis refers to rhinitis that is not due to an allergy. The category was formerly referred to as vasomotor rhinitis, as the first cause discovered was vasodilation due to an overacting parasympathetic nervous response. Rhinitis of multiple causes such as occupational, just chemical, smoking, gestatory hormonal, snails rhinitis of the elderly persons. Atrophic medications inducing rhinitis, medicamentism, local allergic rhinitis, and the third type of rhinitis is allergic rhinitis. Allergic rhinitis or hay fevers may follow when allergic such as pollen, dust is inhaled by an individual which is sensitized immune systems. Trigger antibody production. The antibody mostly bind the mast cell which is contain histamines. When the mast cells are stimulated by an allergens, histamines and other chemicals are released, this cause itching, swelling and mucus production. Then next I will explain on sign and symptoms of rhinitis. Now, first sign and symptoms of rhinitis is runny nose, stuffy nose, sneezing, itchy nose, throat, eye and ears, nosebleeds, clear drainage for the nose, ear infection that keeps coming back, snoring, breathe through the mouth, tiredness. Diagnostic evaluations of rhinitis: dark circles under the eyes, creases under the eyes, swollen tissues inside the nose, mouth breathing. Treatment of rhinitis: antihistamines, nasal sprays, decongestants, medication for asthma symptoms, allergic sorted, surgery for some health problems, and next is prescribed doctors. Then other medicines should be taken. Thank you.